Welcome to my channel. DIY mechanic.
Alright, here we got a 2012 Chrysler Town and Country. We're doing a coolant temperature sensor, which is that one right there. The tools you're gonna need for this job is gonna be a little pick and a 19mm. So you're gonna take your little pick and there's gonna be a rec connector. So if you're facing the engine, that sensor is right here, right in the front, right there. Right there, that sensor right there. So I already unplugged it, but this is how it works. So you're gonna have a rec connector, which is, see right here. So this thing is gonna be pushed in. So that's where you're gonna pull your little pick. So what I did it from the bottom. This is the bottom. So what I did, I took the pick, hook it on the bottom, and then I just move it over and it opens up. You can also do it from the top. Once you have it open like that, then you can press. Then you press here, which is gonna be on the bottom. So you gotta press and pull. Once you pull it out, then you get yourself a something to catch the extra coolant that is gonna drip. And you get your 19. You're gonna stick it through here, stick your hand down. You're gonna hook, put it right on the sensor. Make sure you put it to get it loose, not to get it tight. Okay, here we go. Once you feel it like really loose, like right now, see the key's not doing anything, then you take the key out. And now you're gonna continue by hand. Okay, just be patient, don't pull it out right away. As you can see, I just pull it out. Okay, so here it is. Get it out. So now I'm gonna grab the new one. Same way. Same way, so just bolt it in. And to make sure you're doing the right sensor, you can always unplug the one you think that's the right one, and then try to connect it on the one you're gonna put in before you take it out, to make sure you got the right one. Alright, so here we gotta line them up straight. If not, it's not gonna go in. Okay, so right there is going in. Now I can take my ratchet again. Stick it in. I'm gonna make it tight. So you're not gonna go all the way in. That should be good enough. Okay. Now I'm gonna get my connector. She's gonna be the same way it was, facing down. I'll connect it in, And then I get the red tab and push it in. I'm gonna push the red to lock it. With the other hand. And it's right here. Oh no, it's already in. Okay, never mind. So this one's in, then the red just come down a little bit, yeah, right there. And then you pull on the, make sure it's connected. Now we're just gonna reset the light and drive it. All right. Hope this video helped you. And what to show you, there's a cover. There's gonna be a cover. You're just gonna pull this straight up right there. So just pull that straight up so you can have more room to work on it. I hope this video helped you. Please subscribe, like, and share, and see you in the next one. Alright, so there you have it. It's running. So temperature's going up, blowing some heat already. So let me see if the code's still there. Okay, so the code is gone. No more code because I deleted and drove it, but it didn't come back. So now I'm gonna go drive it with the new sensor. Alright, so I drove the van. The heat is nice and hot. The temperature is a little bit below half, which in some cars that's normal. So we're gonna drive this for a couple of days and see if that fixes the problem. If that doesn't fix the problem, then we're gonna have to move on to the thermostat. But let's see how it goes.